Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. It's been some time since I've done a Power Hour Clean With Me video, so I figured let's start this week off right with some cleaning motivation. My room was a hot mess, so I knew I needed to get some stuff done. While Riley was taking her nap, I figured I would tackle this room because there's one thing I hate, which is a messy room. So I start off by making our bed, and I actually picked up these new linens from Macy's for only $20, which you cannot beat at all. Then I was going around the room and picking up any old cups or anything like that we had laying around so I can bring those downstairs to be cleaned. I picked up this is Mrs. Meyer's Peonies scent for only $1.98. It was on clearance at Target one day, so I picked up a whole bunch of them. I also mentioned this on my story, so definitely make sure to follow me there because anytime I find great finds, I always make sure to let you guys know. And then I did also want to show you this book. It's a gratitude journal that I picked up off of Amazon because I want to start every single day writing down 3 things that I'm grateful for because really it's all about your mindset. Once I was done cleaning off my nightstand and dresser, I then head over to this kind of dresser that we have right when you walk into the room. This is one of those spots where we literally dump everything. So I'm going through everything, seeing what I can throw out and shred and seeing what we actually do need to keep. And as I was cleaning those off, I also wanted to show you guys these Hum Daily Cleanse tablets that I picked up from Sephora a while back, and I'm just getting around to actually taking them. They're supposed to help clear your skin and body from toxins. They're all about beauty starts from within. I just started taking them, so I will keep you guys posted as to how I like them after the 30 days. Then I wanted to tackle Nick's nightstand as well, and he literally had a bunch of change, like no lie guys, a bunch of change, to the point where it was probably at least over $150 after we went through the whole entire thing. So I'm dumping all of that into this container so that we can then take it to the bank later. Then going in and wiping down his dresser as well, and then putting everything back. Another place that gets a lot of just random crap is this chair that we have in the corner. So I'm going through and putting away some clothes that we just had laying on the chair, as well as everything else on the floor, because in the beginning I did kind of just throw every random piece of clothing onto the floor that was most likely dirty and needed to be washed. And then I'm also going through this home goods bag that I kept from my Decorate With Me video, so I will leave that linked down below if you guys did miss that. Now it's time to tackle our closet and put away all of my shoes back into their shoe boxes. Now comment down below and let me know, are you guys ones who actually keeps their shoe boxes, or once you make a purchase, you get rid of the box and just keep the shoes? Then there is one area where I keep all of my bodysuits and things like that. So I'm just going in and refolding them because I wear a bodysuit a lot. They're literally so easy to put on with a pair of jeans or a skirt or anything like that. One of the last things that really needs to be done is to dust our dresser, and I'm trying to be careful a bit because for some reason the wire to our cable box is very loose back there, so as you can see, the TV is going in and out. Also, comment down below and let me know if any of your husbands or boyfriends still watch football even though it's not football season. My husband is a literal fanatic. The last thing to do, I'm just going back through and straightening up the chair cover, and this cover drives me insane. I've been really trying to find a new cover that I like, but I haven't found anything that really is speaking to me. So let me know down below what suggestions that you guys have or where you buy your couch or chair covers. And then I pulled it out a little bit just to get everything back in the corner and put anything away or throw it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.